Hi, I'm Allison Polly, and welcome to Bellarmine University. Today we're going to be talking about Bellarmine's Doctorate of Physical Therapy program. If you're someone who's interested in helping patients with physical impairments or disabilities, then this could be the program for you. So come on, let's check it out. Bellarmine University's Physical Therapy program is attracting applicants from across the country, and it's easy to see why. Bellarmine's commitment to service learning and its incredible clinical component sets this program apart from others. In the fall of 2013, Bellarmine opened the Michael E. Hobbs Service Learning Clinic. This is the nation's first fully endowed clinic of its kind. At this clinic, students provide pro bono care to patients from Bellarmine and the greater Louisville community. They practice patient management in a system of tiered mentorship, whereby first and second year students are paired up and supervised by a faculty member.
It gives me a lot of interaction with patients and hands-on activities with instructor feedback right there, so it's really beneficial for learning.
We just get the extra, like the stuff we don't really touch or don't have enough time to touch completely on during class. We see it in the real world, real setting, and we can get other people's input into the stretch or the exercise.
Students need the opportunity to be able to treat in a real world environment without totally getting their feet wet. And this is the great first step in order to do that. But also for the students to not just collaborate with professors in the field, but with younger students that they can mentor. So it gives them the opportunity to teach and learn while they're providing a service to the community.
The Bellarmine Service Learning Clinic is not the only service learning clinic in which students participate. They have another on-campus clinic called the Support Dance Group, which helps patients with Parkinson's, and 2 off-campus sites specifically for service learning. This allows students to get diverse experiences with patient problems as they prepare for their second and third year internships.
I was involved with the Parkinson's dance group before, so I saw a wide range, not only of people who had Parkinson's disease, but also other balance disorders.
Did you have any, due to lack of better terms, any falls, any significant injury, I guess, per se?
But the clinics give the students more than just practice. They allow students to reach out and serve ailing members of their community. And students can even extend their service work past our borders.
I'm working with Dr. Erbscheit, doing a wheelchair dance program at a local nursing home.
So students have the opportunity to go to Guatemala with a Catholic service organization called Hearts in Motion. And they also have the opportunity to volunteer in Copes, Jamaica. They do some pro bono work in an orphanage in Copes.
And the opportunities continue to expand as students now have the ability to complete clinical rotations in Italy and take elective credit at Curtin University in Perth, Australia.
We're very proud of our clinic, and this is a wonderful opportunity for our students.
The cornerstone of Bellarmine's PT program is its excellent faculty. Bellarmine's faculty members are well qualified in a number of areas and have done presentations and research both nationally and internationally.
So our full-time faculty hold board certifications in neurology, pediatrics, geriatrics, E-STEM, and athletic training. And we also have a full-time faculty who is trained specifically in wound care.
And with a student-faculty ratio of 12:1, the students develop collaborative relationships with the faculty. And the professors are always eager to help.
There's always 6, 7 faculty members in there, always willing to help, always willing to answer questions, so it just makes you comfortable as a student.
I love the program. Any times I've had difficulties with any classes or just didn't understand something, all the professors are more than willing to meet with me, and no matter how long it took them, sit with me until I understood the concept completely.
I love it. I love it. It's a great honor for me to be here, and I count it a very high privilege to be here. I'm glad to be on the Bellarmine DPT faculty team.
Another aspect of this program helping students learn is the technology. This classroom, built exclusively for PT students, has a camera in the ceiling that is controlled by an iPad.
Now what they can do is just zoom in right on, let's say, a mobilization of the knee. They can zoom right into that, and we can all just sit back and just watch it up on the projection screen.
Another benefit of this program is its location. Being in Louisville allows Bellarmine to work with local institutions. Just recently, Bellarmine started a new neurological residency with Norton Healthcare that will prepare select graduates to sit for the board certification in neurology.
Louisville and the general region is great because there is support of local businesses. and especially healthcare and clinical sites all throughout the area. And since Louisville is known for their outstanding healthcare services and the other services that are provided related to insurance and the like, it's a great environment for students to learn and to hopefully work after they graduate.
The faculty are also well connected to the city and state physical therapy networks.
We're seeing patients today that don't really have a connection specifically to Bellarmine, but because our faculty are so well connected with the physical therapy community here in Louisville, we've been able to recruit patients who will come and see us so that the students can see more than the rehabbing student athlete.
Not to mention, Louisville can be a whole lot of fun while still providing that feeling of community.
I love Louisville. Coming from a bigger town like Chicago, Louisville has just as many things to offer. The downtown life is just as happening, lots of places to go to, and even if you don't want to go through the hassles of going downtown, the Highlands or close neighborhoods have a lot of restaurants, art to go to, just anything you can find in a bigger city you can find in Louisville.
And then I kind of have the opposite perspective. I came from a really small town, so I was really excited coming to Louisville. There's so much more to do than there was where I grew up, and I just kind of fell in love with it.
I felt just at home whenever I got here, and I wouldn't rather be at any place.
Students in the program come from numerous majors, a wide age range, and the class has a good mix of men and women. Students are consistently at or above average for first-time pass rates for the boards and go on to a myriad of professions.
I see students who go into peds, I see students who go into neurology.
And as the program attracts more and more talent, the success stories are likely to keep coming. So now you have a better understanding of what this program is all about. We're very proud of it and hope that you can see why. If you're interested in learning more, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for checking us out, and we hope to see you on campus someday.